Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring ProtonVPN, a privacy-focused VPN solution developed by the minds behind ProtonMail. I'll walk you through how to get it set up, highlight its core functionalities, and answer some popular questions so you can determine if it fits your needs. Before we jump into the details, I've placed a special link in the description where you can find ProtonVPN's most recent deals and promotions. If you're thinking about subscribing, take a look to ensure you get the best offer. All right, let's get started. First things first, let's discuss the download and installation process for ProtonVPN. Head over to the ProtonVPN website via the link in the description. Look through their various plans. There's even a free plan available, which is quite rare among VPN providers. Once you've checked out their plan options, pick the one that aligns best with your preferences. You'll be guided to create a Proton account, which can also be used across other Proton services like ProtonMail or Proton Drive. After signing up, download the ProtonVPN client. It's compatible with numerous platforms such as Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. You can also configure it on certain routers if you prefer a network-wide VPN setup. Open the installer, follow the on-screen instructions, and once the app is installed, sign in using the credentials you created. The interface is straightforward, with a quick connect button for automatic server selection and a detailed list of locations to choose from if you want something more specific. And simply click connect. Your internet activity is immediately safeguarded by ProtonVPN's encryption. From here on, you're set to explore the web with enhanced privacy and peace of mind. Now that you know how to get up and running, let's look at some prominent features that make ProtonVPN a standout choice. Secure Core Network. One of ProtonVPN's signature capabilities is its Secure Core setup, which reroutes your connection via multiple high-security servers in privacy-friendly countries before it reaches the public internet. This design helps protect your traffic from sophisticated network-based attacks. ProtonVPN's strong encryption and privacy employs AES 256-bit encryption, which is widely recognized as a gold standard in data protection. Plus, Switzerland's strict privacy laws fortify the platform's no-logs policy, so your online activity is not tracked or recorded. Tor over VPN. For those who need an additional layer of anonymity, ProtonVPN provides Tor over VPN. With just one click, your data is sent through the Tor network, making it easy to access onion sites without manual Tor browser configurations. ProtonVPN offers an intuitive interface suitable for both novices and power users. You can quickly toggle essential security options, view server loads, mark favorite servers, and much more, all within a clean, simple dashboard. Multi-platform support. Whether you use Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, or Linux, ProtonVPN has you covered. They also offer manual setup guides for routers and other devices to ensure comprehensive protection across your network. Additional features like split tunneling, decide which applications should be routed through the VPN and which can use your normal internet connection, ideal for saving bandwidth or improving specific app performance. Or kill switch if your VPN connection is unexpectedly interrupted. The kill switch blocks all traffic until the secure tunnel is restored, preventing unintended data exposure. Be aware that exact pricing can vary depending on promotional deals in your region, so always confirm by visiting the link below. With free plan, what you get is access to a smaller range of servers, one device connection, and basic speeds ideal for occasional browsing. This plan is for you. If you're new to VPNs or you only need minimal protection, the free plan is a no-risk way to try ProtonVPN. VPN Plus plan for $9.99 per month, 1-year plan for $4.99 per month, and 2-year plan for $4.49 per month. What you get is Secure Core, Tor over VPN, and faster global servers, plus multiple connections. This plan is for users who want robust security features, higher streaming speeds, and a variety of server options without jumping into the full Proton ecosystem. Proton Unlimited for $12.99 per month. 1-year plan, $9.99 per month, and 2-year plan, $7.99 per month. What you get is everything in VPN plus premium access to Proton Mail, Proton Drive, and Proton Calendar. It is for you. If you're looking for an all-in-one privacy solution, secure email, encrypted cloud storage, and a powerful VPN, Proton Unlimited offers the complete package. Choosing your plan for budget and light use, start with the free plan to explore Proton VPN's interface and get a feel for their network. Go with VPN Plus if you need advanced features, better speeds, and multiple devices. And if you need a privacy powerhouse, you want the ultimate Proton experience, including secure email and cloud storage. Proton Unlimited is your best bet. The longer-term plans usually come with noticeable discounts compared to monthly billing. Keep an eye on special promotions. Sometimes you can snag an even better deal. For the most accurate, up-to-date details, check the link in the description or head over to the official Proton VPN website. Prices and promotions can change, so make sure you're seeing the latest offers. Is Proton VPN suitable for streaming services? Yes. Proton VPN can bypass geographical blocks on platforms like Netflix or BBC iPlayer, although success may vary by specific server location. Premium servers generally offer better reliability and speeds for HD streaming. Can I use Proton VPN for torrenting? Absolutely. Proton VPN supports P2P activities on select servers, ensuring your downloads and uploads remain private and anonymous. Does Proton VPN maintain usage logs? No. Proton VPN enforces a strict no-logs policy. Being headquartered in Switzerland reinforces their commitment to privacy, as local laws do not mandate storing user data. Is Proton VPN challenging to configure? Not at all. The interface is simple, with a prominent Quick Connect button. Advanced users can further tailor connection settings, but beginners can be up and running in minutes. Can Proton VPN be used in highly censored regions? Proton VPN's robust infrastructure, including secure core servers and alternative connection protocols, can help in certain restrictive environments. However, success depends on how aggressive local firewalls are. So, why choose Proton VPN? Enhanced privacy, thanks to a Swiss-based provider with no-logs policies, multi-layered security through secure core, Tor over VPN, and advanced encryption, user-friendly apps across multiple platforms, flexible pricing including a free option, and discounted long-term plans. If you prioritize a blend of strong privacy features and user-friendly tools, Proton VPN is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to visit the description link for any current discounts or deals. Before you go, hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more privacy and tech reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with Proton VPN. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.